How to add your pronouns to your TikTok profile. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can simply add your pronouns to your TikTok profile. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, what you're gonna do is go into your Play Store and search for the TikTok application. So once you do that, here it is, the TikTok application, and make sure that it's updated because the new version or the new features they don't become available on the previous versions of the TikTok or the application. So once you go over it, you're gonna go and search for the TikTok application. So here it is, the TikTok application. You're gonna go into the profile. Once you're into the profile, you can go into all the profiles always by tapping on the profile icon as that is at the right bottom corner of your screen. So once you're on that main page, you're gonna go and tap on the edit profile that is just below your profile picture. Once you go over there is going to be an option for pronouns. They're just above the bio. Once you tap on it, there is going to be an option. So that option would be to add your pronouns. You can add up to 4 pronouns. That means so once you do that, you're going to tap on save so that pronoun would appear under your profile picture name or your profile name that is at the top of the screen. So this is how you do it. This is how you add pronouns to your TikTok profile. I hope this video was informative and you guys liked it. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click on that bell icon. Furthermore, if you guys have any query or regarding anything, just comment down below. I'd love to answer that. So till next time, peace.